Keto diet, pros and cons for weight management. The keto diet is a high-fat, low-carbohydrate diet that has become increasingly popular in recent years. The diet has been found to be effective in aiding weight loss and aiding in weight management. The keto diet has several benefits when it comes to weight management. It helps to reduce hunger and cravings, as well as increasing the body's ability to burn fat. The diet also helps to reduce inflammation and improve insulin sensitivity. However, the keto diet also has some drawbacks. It can be difficult to maintain as it requires a strict adherence to the diet. It can also lead to nutrient deficiencies as the diet is low in certain vitamins and minerals. In addition, it can cause digestive issues such as constipation and diarrhea. The keto diet can be a useful tool for weight management, but it is important to understand the pros and cons before starting the diet. It is also important to consult a healthcare professional before starting any new diet.